Hello everyone, now in the dark forest with Olight Arkfeld Pro. Okay. It is a very interesting flashlight because it comes with three types of light here. Okay, UV light, green laser, and then white light. For my version is about 5700K to 6700K. Okay, here this one. Very interesting. Okay. The way to charge this flashlight, okay, you have to use the magnetic charger here, okay, and this one also has a very strong magnetic tail. Okay, you can attach it to metal surface, something like that. Okay, very good two-way clip here. Okay, but for the battery, it is not replaceable. It's lithium polymer. Okay, lithium polymer about 1500 milliamp. Okay, for the white light here, okay, for the white light here, turbo 1300 lumens for about 4 minutes, and then it will step down to about 420 lumens. I have tried that. Okay, no problem. It start to step down after about 2 minutes, something like that. Okay, but still very bright, and then it gradually step down to about 420 lumens. High mode 420 lumens. It lasts about 135 minutes. Okay, and then it step down to 100 lumens, and it lasts about 12 minutes. Medium 100 lumens, about 9 hours 45 minutes. Wow, very long time. And low is 15 minutes, about 55 hours. Moonlight 1 minute, about 11 days here. Okay, this is about white light. Okay, for the UV light, here it's a optical power. Okay, about 900 to 560 MW here. Okay, wavelength 365 nm. Okay, runtime 5 hour and 5 hour and 310 minutes. Wow. Okay. For the weight of this flashlight, okay, it's about 111 gram. Okay, not it's not heavy. Okay, you can look at more details about this flashlight at my video description. Okay. Okay. Let's see how it works. Okay. Here you can use this when you want to change the light mode. Okay, you have to use this switch. Okay, just turn it. Okay. Okay, I'll start with this one first. UV. Okay, press this button to turn on. Here, very easy. Okay, one click to turn off. Okay, I will go to laser. Okay, one click to turn on, one click to turn off. When it is on, okay, laser mode, double click here to turn on the white light here together. Press and hold to adjust the brightness of the white light. Okay, this is a very good function. Okay, here. Okay, green laser and white light together. Okay. Okay, next one, I will go to white light mode here. One click to turn on. Okay, press and hold to cycle through brightness mode. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Okay, if you want to access turbo, double click. Okay, double click again, we'll go back to about medium, not high mode. Okay, 3 clicks from on or off. Okay, we'll go to strobe. 1, 2, 3. Double click again. We go back to double click. We go to turbo. Okay, and double click again. We'll go to about medium. Okay, this is how the white light work. Okay, really good beam. To lock the flashlight, just press and hold this button. Okay, now it is locked here. To unlock, just press and hold again. Here, now unlocked. Okay. Okay. Very easy to use. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, here is the lowest mode. Okay, I think I can use this mode for walking around the forest, but not good. Okay, I can see things quite about 5 to 10 meters away from me. Okay, but I think if you have to walk around the forest, maybe just go to about medium mode. That would be great. Walking around the camp, that's fine. Okay, let's go to medium. Here is medium. Okay, here, medium. Medium is quite bright. I can walk around in the forest with medium mode. Okay, no problem. Very good beam. You give some throw and really good spill. Very wide spill here. Okay. Wow. Okay, really good beam profile. Let's go to high mode. Okay. Here. High mode is very bright. See that? Wow. Very good. I really like this flashlight because its beam is really good. Okay. Let's go to turbo. Here. Wow. Very bright. Turbo runtime is about 4 minutes, but I have tried it in my house. It's really powerful and very bright. It seems to gradually step down after about 2 minutes. Okay. And then at the when it reaches 4 minutes, it steps down to about high. Okay, as mentioned in the manual. Okay, this is turbo. Okay, it's not too hot to hold. Okay, let's let me show you strobe 1, 2, 3 here. Really good. Okay, really powerful strobe. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3 will not go back. Okay. 1, 2, go back to turbo. Another double click will go to about medium. Okay, here. Okay, let me show you green laser mode. Let me turn off here. Okay, I think you have seen the green laser. Okay, good things about the green laser is, as I said, you can turn on the white light too. Just double click here. This is too much. Okay, maybe you cannot see the green laser. Let me adjust the brightness here. Okay, this is very good. Okay, you have white light and the green laser working together. Okay, you can point at the target and also see the things around yourself. Okay, here, this one is very good. Okay, see that? I really love this function. This is very good. Okay. This is about medium. Okay, for the white light. For high, I think maybe too much. Okay, I can still see the green laser there, but it's not good as the white light medium, something like that. Okay, here. Okay, very good. This function is very, very good. Okay, let me show you UV light. Okay. Okay, for the UV light mode, I think in the forest there's nothing that will grow in the dark or white object here. Okay, but for the UV light here, okay, it's bright enough for walking around, but actually it's not. Its purpose is not for walking around. Okay, I have shown you how to use the UV light, okay, with the banknote and to find to see the cleanliness, okay, of maybe the bathroom, the objects in the car, something like that. Okay, let me go back to white light mode. Okay, I will turn off, and here, okay, wow, high mode. Okay, this is high mode. Overall, I have to say that I really love this flashlight, okay, because it is very versatile, okay, and really good beam. You have 3-in-1, okay, UV light, green laser, and then white light. This is very good, okay, very versatile. Things for improvement, in my opinion, maybe about there should be a high CRI version, okay, high CRI version, something like that. And this one, personally, I am a person who I don't like built-in battery, okay, because this flashlight is really good, and in my opinion, I want to use it as long as I can. But this one, it will be broken one day when the battery is broken. Okay, so if possible, maybe Olight should consider about making Arkfeld Pro with 1X650 battery version, something like that. Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe. Okay, this is a very good flashlight. Okay, really good beam. You can walk around the forest with this flashlight. High mode is really good. Okay, 470 lumens. Wow, very good beam. Okay, I think if there's a version with replaceable battery, that would be great. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.